You search how to buy shares of Wallenstam AB. Wallenstam is a Swedish real estate developer and property manager listed on CBOE EU under the ticker WALLb.ST. This video is educational and not financial advice. To proceed, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you generally must verify your account with an ID document and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar. Type the ticker WALLb.ST and select the listing that matches Wallenstam AB on CBOE EU. On the asset page, you will see a brief company profile and the price chart for the stock. Double-check the company name and the WALLb.ST ticker to confirm it's the correct listing. Tap Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to buy. Review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For more details, find the eToro link in the description below.